Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhagyashree. Today we are going to continue our topic, that is illustrations of CMA Inter paper number 6 syllabus 2022. Today we will solve NPO's illustration number 15. The following is the income and expenditure account of GB Club for the year ended 31st March 2022. Income and expenditure is given. Okay, to save the time I have already put a tick according to the adjustments. Okay, so this is totally income and expenditure account, and this is the additional information by using which we are going to prepare only receipt and payment account. So receipt and payment account हमको prepare करना है. Okay, and another information is given. So this is my receipt and payment account. Okay, after that there is some working note because subscription contains more adjustments, so subscription account I have prepared. In the study material they have prepared statement of subscription, but instead of preparing statement I prefer to do the subscription account. After that sports equipment and furniture account we have prepared. ठीक है. See, first of all we will start from expenditure side. First item is salary. Okay, we are having two adjustments in a salary. See, salary is given here and adjustment according to the year is given. Okay, so we are preparing receipt and payment account. Okay, so whatever money is coming in and going out, that only are matter. Money, that amount can be related to your previous year, current year, subsequent year, that is not a matter. Okay, in the introduction part we have seen that receipt and payment account only concern with the money is coming in or going out and not a year. Okay, तो ईयर के बारे में सोचना नहीं है, पैसा आ रहा है जा रहा है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. ठीक है, चलो तो सबसे पहले सैलरी है, मतलब पेमेंट में जाएगा सैलरीज. ओके, 19,500 इज द अमाउंट. ठीक है, दो टिक दिख रहा है मतलब हमको दो स्पेस छोड़ना है. ओके, तो सैलरी के लिए मैं दो स्पेस छोड़ रही हूँ. उसके बाद है रेंट का आइटम. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं पोस्टिंग करके लेती हूँ ताकि बाद में एडजस्टमेंट आराम से समझ में आएंगे. 4,500 अगेन टू टिक्स आर देयर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट प्रिंटिंग पे कोई भी टिक नहीं है, मतलब नो एडजस्टमेंट, डायरेक्टली आउटर. सो बाय प्रिंटिंग 750. Okay, already I have checked the question, there is no adjustment on printing. Now insurance, we are having one adjustment on insurance, so inner side we are going to write insurance 500. one tick is there. Audit fee contains two ticks. Amount is 750 and two ticks. After that these items does not contain any tick. Okay, now we will record these items. First of all, games and sports expenditure. Okay, games and sports expenditure. Expenditure word is not there, but that is expenditure. See, after games and sports expenses there is a subscription. See, whatever items we are completing I am just cutting it. Okay, cutting. Okay, because it will create a confusion. So these items are done. Now here we have completed salary, rent also, and audit, insurance and audit fees also. Okay, so that we will not get confusion. Now subscription return off I am not cutting because I am not recording now. We will record it whenever we will go for the subscription account. ठीक है, then miscellaneous expenses we will write miscellaneous expenses, that is miscellaneous expenses 14,500. Thereafter loss on sale of furniture is given. Okay, and again depreciation of sports equipment and furniture. So these items will go in your particular that asset account. So this is our sports equipments account. Okay, and here it is the item. See, we have completed this miscellaneous expense. Loss on sale of furniture 2,500. Here we on debit side. Okay, so we have to record on credit side because it is a loss. Okay, so here by, see, in income and expenditure account they are writing loss on sale of furniture. Okay, so we are getting this amount from income and expenditure, so here we should write income and expenditure account. Okay, that is bracket में हम लोग लिख के रखते हैं loss. Okay, so you will identify the amount 2,500. So here we have completed this amount also. After that depreciation is given. So depreciation again, sports equipments and furniture, we are on debit side. In that particular account we will record on credit side. Okay, so here again it will be recorded as income and expenditure account, which is nothing but your depreciation. Okay, 6,000 in case of sports equipments, and here 3,100 in case of furniture. Okay, so here we have completed these items also. Now this is excess of income over expenditure with it, which is nothing but surplus, but we don't have balance sheet, so I am not going to record this. Okay, so we will skip this. Okay, now we will go for subscription. Okay, subscription item, but here we have prepared subscription account already, so I am not writing now in receipt and payment, because I will record this figures, all the figures relating to subscription account in this account. Okay, after that next item is donation. Okay, so donation, no tick is there, so I am just completing this item, that is donation. Here it is on credit side, so इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में डेबिट में आएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रिसिट. सो हियर टू डोनेशंस फॉर ओपनिंग बैलेंस आई एम लिविंग द स्पेस, no adjustment, outer 5,000. I hope you are getting me. Now only these tick items are there, and this subscription account is there. Okay, now we have completed this income and expenditure account except this subscription item, and this salary, rent, insurance and audit fees adjustments. Okay, we will get this information over here. Okay, so first of all subscription information is given, so we have to record all the figures relating to subscription. Let's go in subscription account. See, first of all this subscription in arrears. Arrears means outstanding. Okay, so outstanding opening balance, I have already told you it is a asset, so it will be debit balance. Okay, it will have debit balance. So outstanding, that is balance brought down, which is nothing but your outstanding. Okay, amount is 2,600. Okay, I hope you are getting me. So I have completed this. Now 3,700 is also outstanding at the end of the year. So at the end of the year, here by balance carried down, because it's a closing balance. Okay, outstanding 3,700 cut. Now advance subscription, advance in it means it is a liability, so opening advance यहाँ पे आएगा by balance brought down advance 1,000. Okay, and there is no tension, because we are not going to prepare the balance sheet, so only one effect we are giving. After that here advance subscription, which is 1,500 at the end of the year. Okay, at the end of the year, it means by balance carried down, which is nothing but advance. Okay, advance amount is 1,500. Okay, 1,500. So I have completed this also. So this item is completed, this item is completed. Okay, now we will think regarding the pending two items regarding subscription. See, subscription is there on credit side. Okay, now we will record this subscription on debit side of your subscription account, that is to income and expenditure account. Okay, which is nothing but 68,000. 68,000. ठीक है, now we will think about this subscription. Okay, subscription return of 350. Okay, write off किया है subscription 350 का, उसका क्या करेंगे आप भी सोचेंगे. ठीक है, so here we have completed this item, so I am cancelling this. Now only this one item is pending, that is subscription written off. See, very simple logic is that subscription written off is given on debit side, right? So we will record this subscription written off on credit side, because second effect we are giving, right? So by we are taking this amount from income and expenditure account, but this is not a normal amount, this is return off. Okay, so amount is given, return of amount is given, it is 350. Okay, so here we have completed this item also. Okay, So everything is completed regarding subscription. So I am going to close the subscription so that I will get the correct amount. Okay. So taking debit side total 2600 plus 68,000 plus 1500. Total is 72,100. Debit side is more 72,100 minus credit side 1000 minus 350 minus 3750. So here we are getting 67,050 as a balance. So balance will go to the receipt and payment account as a receipt of subscription amount, receipt and payment account, which is nothing but balancing figure. So here it is balancing figure. Here we are on credit side, so here we are recording on debit side. So here we have recorded on receipt side, that is subscription. So finally we have completed this subscription item. Now next adjustment, that is related to your outstanding expenses. This is nothing but your heading. In that rent amount is given. See, whatever money related to your last year we have paid in this year, and this is outstanding. Okay, because these are the outstanding expenses. So we will go on the rent side. See, this is the rent. Okay, we have paid this last year outstanding amount, that is 500 in this year, and this 800 outstanding not yet paid because that is outstanding. So whatever money we have paid लास्ट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग ये ईयर में हम लोग पे ही करेंगे, राइट. सो लास्ट ईयर का हमको क्या करना है, ऐड, एंड करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग हमको लेस करना है बिकॉज नॉट येट पेड. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग मी. सो लास्ट ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग we will add 500. So here we are getting 5,000 and minus current year outstanding because we are taking money coming in or going out. So 800 not yet paid. So हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, माइनस, बिकॉज हमने पे ही नहीं किया है. So 4,200. Okay. So here we have completed this rent item. Okay. After that same in case of salary and audit fee. Okay. So last year का हमको क्या करना है, add, because we have paid that amount in this year. So last year outstanding salary is 1,200. We are going to add this. Okay. So 19,500 plus 1,200, it is 20,700. Okay. Minus current year का outstanding हमको क्या करना है, minus. Current year outstanding is 350. So we will less sorry, that is 350. 20,350. Okay. So here salary amount is also done. Okay. Same in case of audit fee. Okay. So audit fee में भी same करना है, add करना है last year outstanding because we are paying that amount in this year. Okay. So here 1,250 minus current year outstanding because not yet paid. So 750 minus होगा 1250 minus 750. Here we are getting 500 as the outer amount. Okay. So here we have completed this audit fees also. Now sports equipments less depreciation. Okay. So sports equipment के regarding आपको information दिया है and we have already prepared the note. Okay. Working note. So sports equipment का balance दिया है. See, sports equipment balance after depreciation in current in the last year closing. Last year का closing ये साल का opening बनेगा. So यहाँ पे to balance brought down 25,000. Okay. After that here it is closing amount. Okay. After depreciation 24,000. It means by balance carried down 24,000. Okay. So here we have recorded this also. Okay. Now related to sports equipments we have completed. See, after that furniture, furniture opening closing we are just recording. We will close this account later, but first of all we are doing just we are just recording. Okay. So brought down 30,000 and here carried down 27,900. Okay. This is also done. This is also done. Now only this prepaid insurance is pending in this information. So prepaid insurance item is here. Okay. Prepaid insurance. प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस है मतलब आपने क्या किया है, एडवांस में पेड किया है, ओके। प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इन 22 दैट इज 31 मार्च 2022 एडवांस में पे किया है मतलब पैसा गया है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, ऐड करना पड़ेगा। सी करंट ईयर का आउटस्टैंडिंग लेस होता है, वैसे करंट ईयर का प्रीपेड क्या होगा, ऐड होगा, बिकॉज मनी हैज़ गॉन, ओके। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऐड प्रीपेड, प्रीपेड करंट ईयर में प्रीपेड किया था, ठीक है। अमाउंट इज 150 ऐड होगा, सो 650 आउटर, ओके। 650 आउटर। So we have completed this also. So now additional information, that is book value of furniture sold is 7,000, okay. So furniture का value जो sale हुआ है 7,000 and here we have completed this loss on sale of furniture 2,500. It means book value was 7,000 and we are getting 2,500 as a loss. So what is the receipt amount, okay. The receipt amount in case of a sale of furniture, 7,000 is the book value, loss we are getting 2,500. It means 4,500 is the cash which we have received in case of furniture sold. So cash received, it means entry should be cash account debit to furniture. Cash account debit, it means receipt and payment account. So receipt and payment account debit, receipt and payment account, that is 4,500 which we have received in case of sale of furniture. Receipt and payment account debit to furniture, okay. Now this adjustment is also done. After that entrance fee is capitalized 4,000. So entrance fee capitalized हुआ है 4,000 but we have received the entrance fee and after that we have capitalized it, okay. हम लोग ने एंट्रेंस फी कैपिटलाइज किया है, इसके लिए इनकम में नहीं दिख रहा है, बट पहले रिसीव किया होगा, बाद में कैपिटल किया होगा, इसीलिए कैपिटलाइज एंट्रेंस फी शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन रिसिट साइड. सो दिस इज योर रिसिट साइड. एंट्रेंस फी which we have capitalized but earlier we have received, right? So 4,000 should be recorded here. So this is also done. After that on 1st April 2021 there was no cash in hand but bank overdraft was 15,000, okay. So this is opening balance of your receipt and payment account. See, opening balance normally debit में आता है but यहाँ पे bank overdraft है तो credit में आएगा, okay. So I have not leave the space, so I am writing here, okay. So by balance brought down, it should be recorded on very first line but we have forget to leave the space, so that's why we are writing here. It should be recorded on this side, okay. So by balance brought down, that is bank overdraft. Normally it should be recorded in the debit side but this is a bank overdraft, it will be recorded on the credit side. 15,000 amount is there. So we have done this. Now on 31st March 2022 cash in hand amounted to 850 and the rest is the bank balance, okay. So cash in hand on 31st March, it means this is your closing amount, okay, closing balance. So closing balance always on credit side here, by balance carried down and bifurcation is given cash and bank. Cash amount is 850, cash amount is 850. So this is also done and rest balance will be a bank balance. So we have completed this data. Now we will check whether any account is open. See, furniture account is not yet closed and sports equipment is not yet closed. So let's close this accounts. First of all, credit side total, it is 30,000 minus 25,000. So we are getting 5,000, okay. Whatever balance we are getting, that will go to the receipt and payment account, because we have purchased the sports equipments and not yet recorded in a receipt and payment account. So here receipt and payment account, balancing figure. Here we are on debit side, so we will record on credit side of receipt and payment account. So by sports equipment which we have purchased during the year, 5,000. Same way in case of furniture. Let's take credit side total. 4,500 plus 2,500 plus 3,100 plus 27,900, that is 38,000 minus 30,000, we are getting 8,000 as a balance. Whatever amount we are getting, receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account. This is nothing but your balancing figure. Here we are on debit side, so we have to record on credit side of receipt and payment account. So here buy furniture 8,000. Okay, so here we have closed subscription account. So here we have closed sports equipments account and transfer the amount. Here we have closed furniture account and transfer the amount. But this amount we forget to record in receipt and payment account. See, we have written receipt and payment account here, but second effect I have not given yet. Here it is on credit side, we will record on debit side. Okay, to sale proceeds of furniture. Okay, फर्नीचर बेचने के बाद जो पैसा मिला वो, दैट इज सेल्स प्रोसीड्स ऑफ फर्नीचर. अमाउंट इज 4,500 which we have calculated, that is 7,000 was the book value minus loss is 2,500, so 4,500 is the amount. So now we will close your receipt and payment account and we will find out the closing balance. So 5,000 plus 67,050 plus 4,000 plus 4,500, total is 80,550. 80,550. Let's minus all the credit amounts. Minus 20,350 minus 4,200 minus 750 minus 650 minus 500 minus 3,500 minus 14,500 minus 15,000, then again minus 5,000 minus 8,000, and here balance is given 850. Okay, so here we are getting balancing figure, that is 7,250. Okay, as a bank balance. So here we have completed your receipt and payment account. Only receipt and payment account was asked in the question. So here illustration number 15 is completed. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join the Telegram group to get the notes after completion of the topic. Thanks for watching, friends.